Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over a few ways that you can play and interact with your Luka reading robot. So Luka has some pretty cool features when it comes to just interactions for the kids having fun. One of them, and one of the most popular...
I'm here, not in your phone. Let's read together.
So one of the most popular amongst parents when interacting with their children or letting their kids know it's time to eat or they need to go shower, brush their teeth, is you can send messages through Luka using the app. So you can select pre-written prompts, or you can even go and type your own message in English or Chinese. And here's an example of that.
Go to bed.
Go to bed. So a lot of our features, you can directly interact with Luka. One of them is going to be
Whoa, that made me dizzy. Did you say something?
So this is called the magic voice. If you see the little swirly eyes come up. A lot of what he does here is he's going to mimic what you said back in what kids find to be a very entertaining voice. And you can do this in English, Chinese, noises. He'll sometimes repeat back. And then another one of our cool features, if you keep pressing the nose, see his eyes get smaller, and he explodes. If his battery is running low, he actually passes gas instead. And that's also one of the ways he lets you know while you're using him that he needs to be charged. And then we also have, I'll turn it this way for you.
Please give me a hug.
You're going to turn him upside down. You got to do it fluidly.
Please hold me tightly.
There we go. It's just a little handstand feature where you see the eyes rolling around. Kids think it's hilarious seeing the eyes roll around. Over. And then our last feature is going to be kind of a reading jackpot. So it determines whether your student is going to be reading another book or not. Your child is going to be reading another book or not. So if you don't win a prize, and if you want to spin again, you have to read another book. That's just kind of a few of the little ways that you can interact with your Luka. You can rub his stomach. You can tap his head to get his attention.
Yes, I am here.
And yeah, I hope you and your child enjoy playing with Luka.